What's up? Alright, so thanks for joining me on another video. A lot of people are asking me lately, how'd the tune go? Where's your car? Because if you can't tell by this, I'm sitting where the car usually is. Had a little technical difficulties. I guess it was 3 weeks at this point, 3 weeks ago maybe. I brought the car right to the shop in Pennsylvania, dropped it off to get the fab work done. The fab work for my downpipe is completed. My intercooler piping is done. They fixed my clutch. Apparently I did have a leak in it and I was just too much of an idiot to figure that one out, so thank you for those guys. The day before we go to dyno tuning, the head is making a crazy ass noise, so I will insert that video right here. So, kind of came to the conclusion that those are my lifters making that noise. That is one of the only parts that I didn't upgrade from the stock one / original of the motor. So, of course, shit happens. Now the delay is we are waiting on solid lifters. We're gonna go do the conversion to the. Well, I happened to find a set of Tomei lifters. The other companies, I believe, was like Super Tech or something like that, but those lifters come out to like $600, and the Tomeis are like, the ones I found on eBay, brand new set is $300. So we're going with the Tomeis. The other problem is we're waiting for them to be delivered. The shipping on those, I still haven't got a shipping confirmation on them, so the guy did tell me it should ship out by this Friday, so keep your fingers crossed for me on that one. Yeah, it sucks. So since the car's not here, I've been messing around with like the garage and doing like random shit around the house. Put up another light here. If you don't watch the little garage video, just go watch that. I've been like cleaning up a little bit. I think that side's a mess because it's just a mess, but I did move that this way as opposed to this way. Floor's painted. Did that. I decided to paint the floor because the epoxy, I've heard through a couple friends that you're still gonna have to redo the epoxy like every couple years. So instead of spending all the money to do the epoxy and then have to redo it, especially because I'm sure the jack stands and the jack rolling over it isn't good for the epoxy, so that would probably get destroyed. So I decided let me just spend $100 on paint the floor. If it gets messed up, I can just touch up the floor. I don't have to like redo the entire thing. I think with the epoxy also, you have to like do like some etching to the concrete or whatever to get all like the oils out of this. I didn't really give a shit. I just kind of painted and it was done. So with that horrible news, I gave you a little update. Very quick video. Thanks for joining me, I guess. Pray for me. Hopefully the next, if it gets shipped out this Friday, hopefully they get it the following week and then the tune the following week. So we're probably like into October waiting for this tune, which sucks. Sucks. You have one mod sitting on the one box sitting here. If you want to take a guess of what that might be, it's a long box. If you look at it right there, long box. Take a guess. Leave it down in the comments. Trying to figure out videos to post until I get my car back, so we'll probably do a why I hate this car right here. Guess stay tuned for that. 5 reasons why, because everyone seemed to have loved the Mustang one that I did. If you don't watch that one, go check that one out. Guess a toolbox tour. That stuff. I don't know. Join me on the next one. Yeah. I'll see you guys. Pray for me. Fingers crossed, and let's get this car tuned, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Thank you. See you later.